Ever wondered about the magic behind those dribbles, passes, and slam dunks on the court? Well, today, we're about to unveil the hidden artistry behind one of the most iconic symbols of the game, basketballs. Join us on a journey behind the scenes to discover the intricate craftsmanship, the fusion of science and skill, and the fascinating process that transforms raw materials into the spherical tool that fuels our basketball dreams. Welcome to the captivating world of how do they make basketballs? Do you know how that familiar orange sphere in your hands is actually made? Ever thought what it takes to craft the basketball you love to play with? Delve deeper to find out the amazing craftsmanship behind the making of basketballs. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Basketballs have been around since the late 1800s, evolving from a simple rubber ball to the modern-day ball used in today's popular leagues. Basketball is one of the most popular sports worldwide, making the manufacturing process of basketballs a crucial aspect of the industry. The manufacturing process begins with the selection of premium quality, durable materials to ensure the longevity of the balls, followed by a series of intricate steps to produce the final product. This article will provide keen insights into the step-by-step process of how basketballs are manufactured, starting from the raw materials to distribution to customers. The quality of raw materials used in the manufacturing process is critical in ensuring that the basketballs meet quality and durability standards. According to industry standards, basketballs should weigh between 567 and 650 grams and have a circumference of between 749 and 780 millimeters. The materials used to manufacture a basketball include synthetic rubber, natural rubber, microfiber composite leather, and foam. The rubber used in the process is carefully selected based on its durability and bounce, while the synthetic microfiber leather is preferred for its water resistance, grip, and durability. All materials used in the production process are subject to rigorous quality control checks to ensure the final product meets industry standards. After the selection of the raw materials, the design and planning stage comes next. The ball's design is critical in improving its grip, durability, and feel, ensuring it performs well on the courts. The basketball's design is created using specialized software that ensures the ball meets industry standards while incorporating unique features that improve its performance. After finalizing the design, the manufacturing process is planned, and the basketball panels cutting begins. During the panel cutting phase, the basketball panels are cut into the desired shapes and sizes using specialized equipment. The panel pieces are then stacked and secured for the next step in the process. Quality control measures are taken into account during this stage to ensure that the panels adhere to industry standards, including the number of panels required per basketball. Any substandard panels are rejected and recycled back into the cutting process to reduce wastage and increase resource efficiency. After the panels are cut, the printing process begins. The printing details, including brand logos and other designs, are added to the panels to give the basketball its unique appearance. A specialized printing process is used to apply the ink to the panels, while the ink's quality is monitored to ensure it meets the required industry standards. Quality control checks are also performed to ensure the printing complies with the chosen design and that all details are printed correctly and accurately. After printing, the panels are moved over to the stitching area. In this stage, the panels are stitched together using high-quality threading and a specialized technique that ensures the ball is tough and durable. The stitching process is carefully monitored to ensure uniformity and prevent stitching failure that could lead to ball deflation or burst during play. Quality control checks are performed throughout the process, with any substandard balls discarded. After passing the quality control process, the partially assembled balls undergo bladder construction. The bladder is a crucial component of the basketball, responsible for retaining the air and shape of the ball. Specialized bladder molds are used to shape the bladder materials into the spherical shape required for the basketball. The bladder is made of latex or other similar synthetic materials to provide the needed air retention properties to prevent air leakage during play. Once the bladder is shaped, it is inserted into the stitched panels and secured in place, ultimately covering it with chemically treated cotton or nylon layer for added durability and strength. This leads to the next process, covering the ball. The covering process involves the use of high-quality materials that provide the basketball with longevity and an excellent grip. Manufacturers use synthetic or real leather, rubber, or microfiber composite cover materials to make basketballs. The cover material is cut into sections and stitched together into the final shape to cover the ball's bladder and panels. The process includes the application of several layers of adhesive to the ball panels to hold the cover material in place, eliminating wrinkles and unevenness. The final product is then checked for quality before moving forward to the next stage, which is inflation. Following the covering process, the basketball is ready for inflation. This process involves inflating the bladder with air to the industry-required pressure of between 7.5 and 8.5 pounds per square inch, (psi), to achieve the ball's ideal bounce and playability. The inflation process is followed by a set of quality control checks to verify that the ball meets the specified pressure and bounce standards. Any substandard balls are returned for correction and rechecked to ensure they meet the required standards. The final stage of the process is the distribution of the basketballs to customers. After quality control checks, the basketballs are packaged for distribution. During the packaging process, the balls are individually wrapped in plastic, placed in boxes, and sealed before shipping. The shipping process takes into account the customer's address and the shipping requirements. Shipping processes include road transportation, sea or air freight, depending on the customer's location and preferences. Basketball manufacturers partner with distribution organizations to ensure customers receive their orders in a timely and efficient manner. This partnership is crucial in ensuring the basketball's quality, customer satisfaction, feedback, and experience. In conclusion, the manufacturing process of basketballs involves several intricate steps, starting from the selection of the raw materials to its distribution to customers. The quality of the materials used is critical in ensuring a durable and high-performance product. Quality control checks throughout the manufacturing process are crucial in guaranteeing that the product meets industry standards. The balls are then packaged and shipped to the required customer locations through shipping partners specialized in handling such products. Basketball manufacturers worldwide strive to produce the best quality basketballs by continuously improving their manufacturing process, ensuring customer satisfaction in various leagues and sporting events globally. Thanks for diving into the fascinating world of basketball production with us. If you enjoyed uncovering the secrets behind basketball creation, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more captivating content. Your support means the world to us.